How artificial sweeteners could be harming your health. You know that synthetic sugars, also known as artificial sweeteners, could pose serious health risks? From disrupting gut health to increasing cravings, these sugar substitutes might not be as harmless as they seem. In this video, we uncover the potential dangers of synthetic sugars and how they could impact your overall well-being. Watch now to learn more and make informed choices about your diet. Synthetic sugars, also known as artificial sweeteners, have been linked to several potential health dangers. Here are some of the possible risks. Cancer risks. Early studies suggested a possible link between artificial sweeteners and cancer. However, more recent and comprehensive research has found no conclusive evidence of this. Weight gain despite being calorie-free. Artificial sweeteners can confuse the body's natural ability to regulate calorie intake. This can lead to overeating and weight gain. Digestive issues. Some people may experience digestive problems, such as bloating, gas, and stomach discomfort, after consuming artificial sweeteners. Impact on gut health. Artificial sweeteners can alter the gut microbiome, leading to changes in the way the body processes glucose and increasing the risk of metabolic disorders. Headaches and migraines. Some individuals may experience headaches or migraines after consuming artificial sweeteners, possibly due to their effect on blood vessels. Allergic reactions. Rarely, some people may be allergic to certain artificial sweeteners, which can cause symptoms like hives, itching, and difficulty breathing. Neurological effects. Some research suggests that artificial sweeteners may affect brain function and cognitive performance. Although more research is needed to confirm this, precautions don't minimize potential risks. Consider the following. 1. Consume artificial sweeteners in moderation. 2. Choose natural alternatives like honey, maple syrup, or coconut sugar. 3. Read food labels carefully to avoid excessive artificial sweetener intake. 4. Monitor your body's response to artificial sweeteners and adjust your consumption accordingly. Consult a healthcare professional if you have concerns about artificial sweeteners or experience any adverse effects. Consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video on synthetic sugars informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Your support means the world. Stay informed and take care of your health.